Translogik and TIRETASK have partnered to deliver a powerful suite of tyre management solutions designed for fleet operators and tyre dealers. TIRETASK is available in 3 tailored versions, each built to meet the needs of different users. Fleet Check is a simple, intuitive app for tyre inspections. Used with the TLGX tyre inspection tools, it captures data instantly and provides basic reporting, perfect for quick audits and compliance checks. Fleet is a full tyre lifecycle management tool. It helps operators reduce costs, improve traceability, and ensure compliance by managing every tyre from installation to replacement. Dealer is a complete tyre dealer management system. It digitizes every workflow from job creation to billing, making operations faster, more accurate, and fully integrated. All versions feature an intuitive mobile app that makes every task easier, improves data capture, and reduces errors. Data flows instantly between the technicians in the office. No more double entry and no delays. TIRETASK and the TLGX inspection tools are available on a monthly subscription with hardware-software bundles, reducing the upfront costs of implementing the latest tech. Need something custom? And we've got you covered. Whether you're managing a fleet or running a tyre dealership, Translogik and TIRETASK give you the tools to work smarter, faster, and more efficiently. Find out more about how Translogik and TIRETASK can help you improve your business by getting in touch with us today.